In this video, I'll show you how to change your gender on Facebook. If you're looking to update your gender on Facebook but aren't sure how, this quick guide will walk you through the process. Start by opening the Facebook mobile app and tapping the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the gear icon at the top right to access your settings. Scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section and select Profile Information. Under the Basic Information section, you'll find your gender listed along with your birthday. Tap Edit next to Gender. You can choose between female, male, or custom. If you select custom, you'll also have the option to enter your own gender identity and choose your preferred pronouns. There's also an option to show or hide your gender on your timeline. Once you're done, tap Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your profile is now updated to better reflect who you are. If you found this helpful, feel free to like or share it.